Hello, I'm Divya, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of ADS and Vellala College of Engineering and Technology. Now we are going to see what is meant by joins in database management systems. Joins are effective data retrieval tool which is used to retrieve or combine data from multiple tables in a relational database. In this video, we are going to see about four types of join: inner join, outer join, left join, and right join, with a real-time example with two tables, namely friends and profile. Here is the query to create the table friend with the attributes first name, phone number, city, course, and date of birth. Here we have created the phone number as a primary key. So we are going to use the phone number as a foreign key in the upcoming data table. This is the query to insert some values to the table friend. So insert into is the keyword and friend is the table name, and we are going to insert values for first name, phone number, city, course, and date of birth with the values separated by parenthesis. So each parenthesis is one row's value. So after that we are using a select statement to view the values of the table. So this is the output of the select statement which we have seen in the previous slide. So it will return all the rows of the table friend. Now we are creating another table profile with attributes name, phone number, company working, salary and designation and work location with the foreign key references to the phone number of the friend table. So the phone number column in the profile table will be linked with the phone number column of the friends table. So we are creating phone number as a foreign key. This is the query to insert some values to the table profile. So insert into is the keyword and the profile is the table name. The attributes for which we are going to insert values or name, phone number, company working, salary, designation and work location with the corresponding values, and each row is separated by parentheses. So here we have inserted some values. After that insertion, we have used a select statement to view the table. So select star from profile will return all the rows of the profile table. This is the output of the select statement of the profile table. So it will return all the values of the profile table. This is the query to insert one more row to the profile. So we are inserting this row for better understanding of the joins. So we have inserted this row with no phone number. We cannot leave the phone number as empty since it is a foreign key. So we should replace the empty value with null value. So we are creating a row which has no reference to the parent table. After that, we have used the select statement to view the profile table. So this is the output of the profile table. So now you can able to see the difference. The last row is created with no phone number. So this phone number column is empty now. So inner join will return all the matched rows in the both the tables. That is, it looks like intersection. It will return only the matching values in both the rows. Suppose if there is an entry in the first table and there is no corresponding entry in the second table, it will not return that row. So here the query is to print the name, phone number and the company working and salary of all the persons from both the tables. So select f dot first name, comma f dot phone number, comma p dot company working, comma p dot salary. So the company working and salary are from profile tables, and first name and phone number are from friends table. So we have used F as the alias name for friends and P as the alias name for profile table. From friends F, so we are joining the table friends with profile P. So from friends F, inner join profile P. With, on which constraint we are combining these two tables, that is should be mentioned after on keyword on F dot phone number is equal to P dot phone number. So that is friends table phone number should be matched with the profile table phone number. It will return all the rows of the two tables where the phone number is matched. So this is the output of the inner join. Next one is left join or left outer join. Return all the records from the left table, whether it is matched with the right table or not. If there is no match, it will return the null values for the right table attributes. This is the query to retry name, phone number, company working and salary using left join. So we are using the tables friend and profile, and we are combining these two tables using the phone number column. So select F dot first name, comma F dot phone number and P dot company working, comma P dot salary. From friend F, left join profile P on first F dot phone number is equal to P dot phone number. So we have considered F as the friends table alias name and P as the profile table alias name, and we are combining these two tables using the column phone number. So it will combine these two tables using the phone number column. So this left join will return all the rows of the left table with the corresponding match found in the right table. If there is no match found, it will return the null values, that is empty values. For example, let us see the output. Here fifth row, Renu is not having the company working and salary details in the second table, so it returns null value. Whereas John, Prabhu, Gokul, Raghu and Ramya is having the company working details, so it is combining the data with the corresponding phone number. Right join is just opposite to the left join. It will return all the values of the right table with the corresponding match to the left table. If there is null values in the left table, it returns null. If there is a match found, it will return the matched values. So this is the query to join the two table profile and friends. Here we are considering friend as the left table and profile as the right table. So it will return all the rows of the profile table with the corresponding match found in the left table. If there is no match found, it will return null as the output. For allies, there is no phone number match in the left table, so it will return null values. This is full outer join. It will return all the records of the both the table, whether there is a match or not. If there is match, it will combine the rows into one row. If there is no match, it will leave the non-matched attribute as empty. So full outer joint is similar to that of the union in mathematics. So this is the query to return the name, phone number, company working and salary using outer join, that is full outer join. So we are considering friend table and profile table. So this output will return all the rows from both the tables, that is profile table and also friends table. So if there is no match found, it will return null values. Let us see the Reno does not have company working and salary, so it is having null value. Whereas uh, allies is not having phone number, so it return null values. So like this, So outer join is similar to that of the union. It will combine all the rows of the two table. If there is no match found, it returns nulls. That's all. That's all about joins. Thank you.